Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Python FastAPI versus Django. We'll explore their core strengths and ideal use cases to help you decide which framework best suits your next project. FastAPI is a newer, high-performance option for building APIs, leveraging modern Python features. Django, on the other hand, is a well-established, full-stack framework known for its batteries-included approach, perfect for larger, data-driven web applications. When it comes to performance, FastAPI truly shines with its asynchronous capabilities, built on ASCII. This allows it to handle many concurrent requests with impressive speed, often processing thousands of requests per second for API endpoints. Django, while traditionally synchronous and WSGI-based, has evolved to include asynchronous views and ORM support, improving its concurrency. However, for pure API performance, FastAPI often holds an edge due to its design from the ground up for async operations. Django is renowned for its batteries-included philosophy, offering a robust ORM, an automatic admin interface, authentication, and templating system right from the start. This makes it ideal for comprehensive web applications. FastAPI, conversely, focuses on API development, leveraging Pydantic for powerful data validation and serialization. It also automatically generates interactive API documentation, saving developers significant time. Both frameworks have strong communities, but Django's ecosystem is considerably more extensive, with thousands of available packages. Deciding between them depends on your project's needs. Choose FastAPI for building high-performance APIs, microservices, or applications where data validation and automatic documentation are paramount. It often has a quicker learning curve for developers familiar with modern Python. Django is your go-to for large, full-stack web applications requiring a comprehensive set of features, including an admin panel and ORM. Its learning curve can be steeper due to its extensive feature set, but it offers immense power for complex projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.